Hi everybody, this is Sarah. I recently found a copy of Camtasia that I downloaded several months ago and decided that I'd use it for a tutorial I'd planned to write up as a blog post. If this works out well, I might do this more often. Writing is still my love, but tutorials like this one lend themselves well to the video format. What I want to show you today is a very easy way to use your own domain to cloak those nasty affiliate links. For a long time I used tinyURL or other sites like that, but even though those sites create shorter links, it's still pretty clear to most folks that you're sending them to an affiliate page. Although I'm always pretty upfront and I always tell you guys when I'm using an affiliate link, not everyone does, and sometimes it's just nice to have your own URL as a link instead of, some very long one or a tinyURL link. Plus, this process is so easy, and there's really no reason not to do it, especially if you are really serious about promoting a certain product. So, as you can see, we are on the main dashboard area. You'll recognize it if you use WordPress. This is the admin area for Pajama Professional. If you don't use WordPress, you can still use this method. It just requires you to create a new page on your blog. There's nothing really WordPress specific aside from the fact that I happen to use it. So, regardless of the software that you might be using, you'll still be able to use this. Okay, so from my WordPress dashboard, I'm going to click on the right link and then click on page. You want to do this as a page because you don't actually want it to show up on your blog anywhere. You just want to be able to use it as a link. So once I have my new page up, I'm going to give it a title. I'm creating this for an actual product that I'm probably going to be promoting. As you know, if you read this blog a lot, I don't promote a lot of stuff. And so I'm still reviewing this particular product, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to be promoting it, so I'm going to go ahead and make up my redirect page right now. So I'm going to call this Instant Video Empire. You want to keep in mind when you're naming your page that this title is most likely going to become part of the URL. So you want to make sure the title is keyword related, or in this case actually the name of the product, if that makes sense. Even though this page isn't going to show up for very long, it's the page that you're going to use when you promote, and so you want it to be as search engine optimized as possible. So once I've done that, I'm going to type in the code that I'll be using that actually redirects. And right now I'm going to just type up the basic code that you'll be using. Where I typed URL right there, that's where I'm actually going to paste my URL. And so what I did was I pasted it already to this notepad. Here's my regular affiliate link right here, which actually is not a very bad one compared to most affiliate links. And then right where it says URL is where I'm going to paste that in. And the reason why I showed you that way is because it's just easier when you're writing this down, when you're taking notes, for you to write down URL so that you know. Otherwise, you have to write down my super long, annoying, sort of affiliate link. So, when I'm done with that, I'm going to publish. And that is really it. Once this is published, I'll show you. I'll go ahead and click View Page, and you can see View Page. You can see down below that Instant Video Empire is going to be the name of the page. Actually, I don't know if that's in the screen or not, but I'm going to go ahead and click it, and you'll see up at the top that it's going to my URL with Instant Video Empire. And so it's loading the page. And there you go. Now I'm at my affiliate link. And that's really all there is to it. It's that quick and that easy, and you can make as many of them as you want. And I guess it takes a little bit longer than tinyURL, but for me and for the optimization and the personalization, it's definitely. So if you have any questions about this process or about how the code works, feel free to email me or just put them in the comments section. For those of you in the US, happy Independence Day. I hope the weather's great and you're enjoying your day off if you have one. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.